I missed a video right now, and the studio light just broke. The chain popped out, and of course it had to happen in the off state. Now, I don't have another light fixture floating around, and I don't think that they make these in America anymore, so I can't just go buy a new one. So we're going to have to repair this one. So let's get this off the ceiling and see what we can do here. This went out not that long ago. The chain mechanism, I guess the contactor started to get messed up because of the arcing, and so it wasn't working quite right, so I changed it out for this one. You know, and then this is ridiculous because the other one was up here for years without a problem. Now this one hardly even lasted like, I don't know, 2 or 3 months. And then the chain just comes right out. Ugh. Bunch of junk. I don't know if this is made in China or not, but I tend to think it is. I almost guarantee it is with this lifespan. Well, it's going to be hard to see because there's no lights, but there we go. Made in China. No wonder it broke. Now, what I can do in the time being, I suppose, is I can plug in chandelier to this other outlet. Because I have... Where the heck's it at? Oh, come on. There it is. It's hidden. I can just plug it right into there for now, and then I can at least see to repair this, and you'll be able to see what I'm repairing. Okay, so now I have at least some light to work with. Let's get back to this here. My hope is that the chain just popped out and the mechanism didn't break and I can just put it back in. That would be ideal. Not sure what's... I think we have to undo those 2 screws in there to get it out. You know, years ago these things would last 50 years and have no problem. Nowadays, they hardly even last 50 days. It's a stinking basic ceramics light fixture. This is as simple as you can get. And even this breaks now. Alright. So here's... Oh, the chain itself just broke. That's pathetic. Unblur. The chain just broke. The China chain broke. Now I don't think that I can throw a connector on there because that's going to be a flex point probably. So sometimes what you can do is, this doesn't always work, but sometimes you can kind of push this forward and get, if it'll go forwards enough, you can change out the chain. See if I can get this to work here. Yeah, see if I can keep it there at the front like that, even just for a few moments, I can fix it. I can put a new chain on. It's not easy to get it to stay there without breaking though. I really don't want this to break because, well, it just broke. Okay. I gotta see if I have another switch on hand. I've looked high and low and I can't find another fixture that's not broken. I found another one. Hit 2. Made in China. Ooh, made in China. There it is, right there. Made in China. Doesn't work. Made in China. Doesn't work. Yeah, I'm not even mad that the light broke, because sometimes things break. It happens. I know how to fix it. It's not a big deal. But what I'm irritated by is how, because these stupid greedy companies got to save all this money so they can pocket more money, and they make this trash in China with no quality control and no quality to begin with, and now all this stuff just breaks. And the plastic, it just broke. It's snapped clean off. It's this light fixture powers this, connected to this, which goes into this. It's not even a high heat application. You could put an incandescent light bulb right in there. You're supposed to be able to anyways. You used to be able to. But now, no, we have to make it in China. And it doesn't even work. And so now, I have to go all the way to the Habitat tomorrow to see if I can find a vintage light to put here in the studio, because all this Chinese garbage doesn't work anymore. Really getting tired of this trash. And one final closing note. This hardly lasts very long at all, because it's very seldom that I even use that chain to turn the light on and off, because it's on the switch over here. And for the most part, I just turn everything on and off with the switch. There's very few occasions where I turn that light off with that chain. Like in this case where I was recording this computer, because I thought maybe the image would be clearer without all the bright lights on. So that stupid thing hardly ever even gets used.